Hey guys, last video I didn't know what that noise was. It's kind of creepy. It's just like, it's kind of like a noise like that, and it was creeping me out. So I just ended the video there. What? Mom, I'm making a video. Sorry. Yeah, my mom didn't know what I was doing. Did you not? Not answering me. Because she doesn't like being in photos and videos and stuff. Maybe that's why she's not answering me. Yeah, I still didn't put Freddy in it. Oh. That's a weird thing to say, but no, I forgot to put my dog in one of the videos, but I don't think he's gonna come back upstairs because he only goes upstairs, like he crawls up the stairs at night and jumps into my mom's bed or my bed because he's scared downstairs, I think. Probably. Yeah, last video there's this creepy noise. It was so weird. It was just like so weird. It was like a cat, but no, it was the computer. Like when I heard it, I was like, "What's that?" I didn't know what it was. And sorry the video had to end it so quick, but it was just that creepy noise. It was so creepy. 1 minute, just need to click something off here. Yeah, hey. It was just this Norton thing, the security thing. Yeah, my webcam's very, very good. Like, it's weird. On my friend's computer, you have to look at the webcam to, like, look at you guys. But, like, on my computer, you just need to look at the screen. Look at the screen. Yeah, that's it. I'm just gonna go ahead and do something. 1 minute. Here is a wrecked shoes of mine. Okay, 1 minute. God, you can see it. 1 minute. There, you can see it's wrecked. It's wrecked. Oh no, it's getting all over my computer. Oh. Get off this stuff off the computer for me. 1 minute, guys! Just need to get the stuff off the computer. That was like, it was kind of like dried muck. Just got like on the sticker on the computer. There's like stickers on the computer, and yeah, they're nice. Windows 7, Vision, AMD, and Leveno. That's the name of the computer, Leveno. And it's actually a great computer. Well, it's a laptop. It's not a computer. The new Apple computer is so good. My friend has an Apple Mac laptop, and I always go on it. There's that noise again, I think. Starting to come back. Yeah? Yeah? Having a go? No! Don't come back, please. You're gonna have to end the video here. No! Ah. Woo! Stop it. You're annoying me now. I had to put it. Oh no! Okay, we can stand with it. We can fight. The computer is like going crazy. Oh, okay. Just get all this stuff off the computer. Sorry, I'm touching your face. Ooh! Ooh. your face even more. Oh no! I'm gonna touch it. I'm gonna touch it. Ooh, I touched it. Oh no! Sorry. And I thought you would see my team if I just like stuck it at the. No. Why would I stick at the webcam? Oh, that's disgusting. Then you see how like wet blotches on the computer. Oh, ew, disgusting. I would never do that. Probably my dog would start licking the screen. Um. Oh, maybe I shouldn't put my dog on the computer because you'll see me and him on the computer, and if he sees him, he's just gonna go mad. Maybe I shouldn't put him on the computer. That's 2 videos ago was 7 minutes. This one is 6. Okay, I'm gonna end the video off here because you're not gonna watch this 6-minute vlog. So, see you guys. Bye. Bye. Hey. Boo. Boo. Bye. I always do that. Oh no, I just need to do something. No, I don't.